Hey folks, welcome to Success Challenge 17 YouTube channel. Thank you for making time here. And the first thing I'll urge you is subscribe to my YouTube channel and then you hit on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload videos that will help you make money online. Now let's look at Paidera, how to sign up to Paidera or how to create your account with Paidera. Paidera is very easy to join and you can start earning income right away without any investment. So what happens is you check in the description and click on the link. When you click on the link, it will take you to a page like this. This is a landing page. You can even check the surveys available, the frequently asked questions, the proofs and reviews, and then whatever. Now, if you come here, all you do is just click on claim your rewards. Click on sign up and claim your rewards. Okay. Now, what happens is, because I've already signed up, I don't want to create double accounts. It's very simple. All you do, you type in your first name, type in your last name, type in your username here, then your preferred email address, your password, and then you confirm the password by typing it in again. Okay? It's very easy. After that, you just click on sign up and create my account. That's all. You are done. It's as simple as that. Then you can start making your money right away. That's all. So, and then you need to check your email to confirm or to get verified of your account. And that's all. So, if this video makes sense, give it a thumbs up and then continue sharing. Bye.